Kenny, I am your father. Guys, I want to tell you, I found this. It's a new face shield. I could not believe how good this worked, okay? This was from Harbor Freight, and there'll be a link down below about this. This thing is awesome. Now, the thing is that I'm getting underneath these trucks and getting dirty and getting stuff in my face and worried about it getting in my eyes. This is different than anything that I've had in the past. The goggles are separate from the face shield. The face shield is extra. I'll show you. All right, now see, the goggles are separate from the face shield, so no matter how much you sweat, breathe, perspire, the goggles don't fog. They don't fog, and it protects everything off of your face. Grinding, dirt, dust, sand, grit, no, you name it. These are dynamite. I got two more ordered on the way. One for me, one and an extra for me, and one for the son. So if you guys want some really, really good up underneath, getting dirty, things floating around in air you don't want in your eyes, and you want to set a protection that doesn't fog up, this is the way to go. Again, like I said, there'll be a link down below. Guys, check it out. These are awesome. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Come back next Saturday, because next Saturday is going to be a good one. Tell your friends, hit that bell, subscribe, like, all that stuff, you know, blah, 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 blah. Check out the merch store, unclebuckstuff.com, if you'd like a hat or t-shirt to help out. Y'all have a great day.